Okay, this is instructions for replacing the alternator on my 2008 RAV. This is the belt tensioner. You have to find a 19 millimeter or 3/4, so work just as well. It's almost exactly 19 millimeters for that, and push down, which is clockwise, and this will loosen up, and you got to push down pretty hard. But it's a really on my 2008 RAV. It's really tight in between here and stuff over here, the wheel well or whatever. It's really tight, so I couldn't get a big wrench in there. I had to find a narrow wrench, which meant a small wrench. And so I, I used a PVC, an L bend here with an extension here, and then a T up here for my hand to push down to get that thing loose. And it's really tricky. And I've left it to the side, and now I've got both these two bolts off to get the alternator off. That's 14 millimeter. That's 12 millimeter down here. This thing, yeah, there's instructions on the internet about how to get the wiring off. It's good to follow it. One problem I had was that down here the wiring was also attached at a third point to the alternator. That required very careful small needle nose pliers to squeeze the backside to pull out the plastic part without breaking it. And then I had to do it again way down here, and that was a little hard. And then with my PVC and wrench, I want to leave in there because I don't want that belt coming all the way off. Getting that out, I barely was able to get my big 14 millimeter in there. And then I had to use a small 14 millimeter because I ran out of room. You can't use any kind of extension in either of these. And then I was able to get the rest out with twisting off with my fingers.